Hi, my name is Chris Jagazia. If you own a private ESL institute or are working at one, and you've always wondered what launching online ESL lessons would look like at your institute, I've got a video for you today. Here's some live footage of me teaching my ESL student online using Off to Class's new step-by-step ESL curriculum. I shot this video last week. It's with my student Tahani. She's a Syrian refugee, and I've been working with her in different locations for the last 2 years. So I hope you enjoy this footage, and just remember that at the end of the video, go down to the bottom. We've linked a number of resources and our contact information that'll show you how to get in touch with us so that we can launch online ESL lessons at your private institute. Okay, Tahani, we are going to listen to a recording about Ricardo, and after that, we're going to work through the sentences, and you're going to tell me how to complete the sentences. So let's listen to the recording again.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Ricardo, and I come from Mexico. I live in a place called Playa del Carmen, which is on the Caribbean coast. My wife and I have a seafood restaurant, and we have visitors from all over the world. We can speak several languages, and we love meeting people from different countries. Mexican people are very friendly.
Okay, so let's start with sentence 1.
Okay. He came from Mexico.
Okay, so Ricardo comes from Mexico.
Yeah.
And question about number 1. What do you call someone from Mexico?
He called he Mexican.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay, number 2.
Ricardo lives in Mexico, I think.
Yes.
He lives in Mexico.
He does live in Mexico, but can you see that Mexico isn't one of the options up here? Ricardo actually told us the city in Mexico where he's from. Do you remember the city? It has a long name.
No.
Should we listen again?
Okay.
Okay, we'll listen again quickly, and then we'll do number 2.
Hi, I'm Ricardo, and I come from Mexico. I live in a place called Playa del Carmen, which is on the Caribbean coast. My wife and I have a seafood restaurant, and we have visitors from all over the world. We can speak several languages, and we love meeting people from different countries. Mexican people are very friendly.
Okay, number 2.
Playa del Carmen.
Great, can you give me a full sentence?
Ricardo lives in Playa del Carmen.
Perfect. And number 3?
Ricardo and his wife have a seafood restaurant.
Great, and you know what seafood means, right? Can you give me examples?
I know. Fish and shrimp or salmon, something like that.
Perfect. And number 4?
Mexican people are very friendly.
Perfect. So I hope you enjoyed watching me teach my student Tahani. Just so you know, I spend 99.9% of my week running Off to Class, so I have no time to get prepared for lessons. That's the beauty of the Off to Class system for online lessons. It really cuts my teacher prep time when I go to meet with my student. So just remember, we've linked a number of resources in the description to this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle so you can keep up to date on new videos.